Hi, welcome to Ray's Toolbox. Let me show you how we made some gifts today. The gifts today are going to have a beach theme to them. I started off by taking an old picture frame and took the glass out of it first, and I'm going to glue it down or seal it down in place. I'm going to be using small stones, pebbles, and some beach shells that we bought at the store, a few of them that we brought back, and I'm going to be using epoxy on top of that. So that's why I want to have the glass sealed so the epoxy doesn't get back in the bottom, back behind it. Today we're making all beach scenes, so it kind of depends on how you feel, wherever you want to make the sand, the beach edge, the water, the sky, whatever you want to do is just kind of freehand, whatever you feel like. On this first one, we're trying to make a sandbar kind of come off from the side and come up to the middle, and we're going to put a total on that and see what that looks like. We have a little piece of driftwood for the bottom and a starfish, a couple of shells, a little bit of grass that we're going to put into the beach, and then we're going to use the clear for the sky and see how that contrasts with the waves. The second one, we're going to try and get the sandbar to come up more from the center and just compare the two, see which ones we like better. The fun of it, of course, is just playing with the rocks, the gravel, the glass, and just seeing what we can develop. After we got things together, we realized it was a little bit nicer if you have some waves in the ocean. So we played around a few times and got to where we think we like it the best. To hold all the glass and sand and everything in place, I drizzled epoxy over the top of it and just kind of let it flow to where it can envelop all the different pieces. After the delicate things were covered, I didn't want them to splash out of place. I switched over to a spoon, made it a lot quicker, a little more messier, so word to the wise. I lifted some of the driftwood up and put the epoxy under it before I covered the driftwood. I just didn't want to take a chance on having loose pieces in there when I set the project up after it was finished. A few of the smaller frames, this one we decided to go with a butterfly, see how he liked to fly around the beach. If you want to make one of these for yourself, try to get the frame that has the pedestal on the back. I think that's going to work better than trying to hang it up. Thanks for watching. I kind of like this project. I think we'll do a couple with themes on them, snowman, whatnot, that type of things. But this is kind of a fun project. Thanks for watching. I hope you have some ideas for yourself. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, please hit that button and ring that bell. That way you know the next time that we have another project. See you next time. Bye.